Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I am not, and I repeat, I know I'm not the best beauty guru or the best YouTuber that you watch. I've been personally distracted by a lot of things. I'm not gonna lie, I've been distracted. I've done things, outside of doing YouTube. I've been trying to get back to it. I remember, it was about 2 months ago, I think. 2 months ago, I did my last video, which was the Halloween tutorial. And that video, thank you for the views, whatever it had. I think the most one I did was the Trixie Mattel video, which that one got the most views. Thank you. Like I said, I was distracted. I didn't know how to come back to YouTube, and I thought today would be the day to come back to you guys, and let's get another video started. And I have some new looks for you guys, and for the ones who did stay, thank you, and just keep watching. Thank you. I'm gonna start with a Stay Matte Hydrator Primer by Clinique. It's a pore refining because my pores are really huge, and if you can see, let me just go up, they are really huge, and my pores are crazy. So we're gonna put that on. So just get some on the finger and just dot where I have the most pores. Okay, so today I am taking a sample from the box that I had received. I am taking the Professional by Benefit. This is really gonna help my pores, minimize and things like that. So this is what we're applying first as our base before we apply foundation. Okay guys, so I'm going in with the foundation. I'm going in with Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade N2 Wheat. And as usual, just taking my damp beauty blender and you know the usual. Okay, and I'm taking my concealer by Tarte in light neutral. And then I'm just taking some Airspun loose face powder on a damp beauty blender, and I'm just gonna set my concealer in. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm taking the Hoola by Benefit. Okay, so for brows, I am taking a Wet n Wild pencil, and the Wet n Wild pencil, the shade name is Simma Brown Now in 603A. So this is the pencil I use for my brows. I don't use the Anastasia, Beverly Hills brow. Not that there's anything wrong with it, it's just I've learned how to do it with a pencil than anything, and it's more easier and doesn't take that much time. Okay guys, so for eye primer, I'm just taking my usual Soft Ochre by MAC. Yes, I'm still using this until I get another one. I haven't been able to update my makeup. You know, I'm still using whatever I have left until it's done. But I will be getting some new stuff. Okay, so we're going in with the collaboration of James Charles and Morphe. First shade we're going in with is B. This bright yellow right here. And we're taking a flat brush. And so you want to begin to just start placing it on the inner corner of the eye, the lid. And yes, there's going to be fallout, so just so you're aware. You just want to place this in the inner lid. So just like that, so just keep going back in. It has to be buildable, so make sure you're building as well. Okay, so next in the palette, we are going in with the shade You're Kidding, which is this bright red right here. And also taking another flat brush. So I'm just taking a blending brush to go ahead and blend the end out, and then we're gonna go in and fix the rest. So we're gonna take a little crease brush, and we're gonna go in with the shade Escape. And this is how we're gonna build we're gonna make our crease. We're just gonna blend it in there. Okay, so I did, so I put the purple, in the crease and blending it up. And then for the under eye, what I did was I just put the same colors that I put all over the lid. So the yellow will go right here, obviously in the inner. Then the red will go out, and then the orange in the middle. So next I'm gonna curl my lashes. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this waterproof mascara by Lancome, and I'm gonna apply mascara on my lashes. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go do my wing liner, and I'll see you in just a sec. Okay guys, so I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette, and I'm going in with Blue Ice. Okay guys, so I'm taking Jeffree Star's Unicorn Blood. Okay guys, so this is the finished look right here. This look, we're gonna call it Malibu Nights, and it's just very sunset looking. It's like something you can wear at a club or things like that, because it's very dramatic and bold and catches the eyes. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.